Hello, my gardening family. So it's my birthday today. Yeah, I am so happy. I am so grateful for life. When I tell you that I'm grateful for life, the older you get, the more you learn to appreciate life and appreciate what you have and appreciate God. Because right now, me broke. Me don't have nobody to celebrate. It's style, but I have life, and that's the greatest. And what better way to start my morning to get some food in my garden? I'm going to eat some with you too, just as they are. So stay tuned for that. So yes, like I was saying, I am just grateful. It's not even funny how broke I am this morning. Hey guys, when it really poured off. But anyways, I am so grateful to God that I live to see this day. I mean, a lot of persons. Wow. I'm here with my family. I am in my right mind. I have good health. There are so many things to be grateful for. So I am not saddened by the fact that I'm not having any fancy dance today. You have to get your priorities right in this life. You don't have to wait until your birthday to actually do that because you never know. Alright? So yeah, I just want to appreciate all our owners. Yeah, I love and appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for your outpouring, your love and your support. It means so much to me. Y'all keep me pumping, keep me going because sometimes I don't feel like going in the garden and I say, no man, I have to do this for my family. So yeah. Of course, you don't want the thing take off away, but God on time, His timing is always perfect. And so I'm just loving all of you and appreciating all of you right now. I am so glad I got this chance because sometimes, when you're getting the hype of everything, when things move quickly, you don't, going at a fast pace, you're like trying to go with the flow. You don't get the time to breathe and just appreciate. I am so grateful that, God really put me in the position to be humble and to just enjoy what I'm doing, enjoy growing my food and sharing. So, of course, you wouldn't mind a little, encouragement that sweetens labor, but I am just loving every bit of it, every moment of it. And I thank you. I thank you. So, yeah. So let's yam some food. Let's get some food, guys. Alright, so this sweet pepper right here, or bell pepper, it has a little history. Some of you know about it already, some of you don't. So let me tell you about it. This was a purple bell pepper. Yeah. So I gave one of my subscribers, take a look over here, Julie. Yes, I gave her some seeds. So hers started growing before mine. And after it was purple on her tree and she was leaving it, waiting for it to get bigger, she saw where it started to turn green. And then she allow it and see what is going to happen. And then it starts to turn red. And then it turned a pretty bright red like this. And she sent me video and she sent me pictures. So I said, all right, go and test it out. And I told you all a month ago, at the time when this was purple, I am going to insert a short little clip so that you can see where it is coming from to turn red. So this is it when it was purple. This is it when the purple was fading and it was turning green. Start to change color to red right here. All the purple was almost gone right here. Getting more red again. And right here it is fully red. Well, I'm leaving it to get redder. So I am harvesting it this morning. And you saw me wash it already. Of course, I'm going to take a bite. I want to see what it tastes like. You saw me wash it already, right? Yeah. So, Julie, if you have any more, you need to taste it raw and tell me, girl, it is sweet. It is sweet. This is sweet. This is sweet. I kid you not. This is sweet. It is sweet. Stacey, how many times am I going to say that? Mm. Alright, so I need to get this inside and come back. Guys, would you believe that most of what I'm harvesting this morning is not evil for me? I take pleasure in sharing it. It's not even funny. Sometimes I wonder what I'm about. Nothing like sharing what you grow. And then they say, Stacey, this tastes good or look good or like, yeah. But anyways, I am getting a few corns from here. I have a generous amount that is ready right here. But I'm not going to get it all today. Let me use this basket. I'm going to use both baskets actually. So I'm just opening up this corn. This looks so good. And I'm so glad I got to them before the ants. Well, they're still on there. But what I try to do is to spray them down each time that I water. Or even if I'm not watering, I would just randomly check the corns. See if ants are climbing up the stalk. And I just wash them off. Got this beauty. Yay! My gardening family, can I tell you I was here getting off my pea soup. I don't even know how it name. Getting off, yeah, whatever, whatever it is. So I was here enjoying the corn, saying that it's my birthday, so I'm allowed to be a little spoiled this morning. So I said, all right, let me eat some of the corns. Look how much I eat already. And you did see. I was telling you how sweet it is and how pure it tastes. I had only to find out when my son got to there, he realized that the phone said full. So I had to go and delete some stuff and come back. So it is so good. I'm going to have some more with you for me and you. Alright, hold on. Guys, this literally don't need to be cooked. I'm telling you, it don't need to be cooked. This is sweet corn, by the way. It is very sweet. So pure. Organically grown. If I follow me, I stay here and I eat off all of this. So let me get to another one. Oh, another lovely ear of corn. Look at it. Very nice. Should I get any more from here? I have some small ones over there that I realize that the ants, I need to get them out today, right now. Yeah, today. Um, Let me see. Because I'm going to share them. Let me get two more from here and then I can mix them with the small ones. Because those over there are small. I didn't get to do what I would do with the corns with those. So um they're not so, but they're not bad either. Yeah. I'm going to get one more from here. So this one gave me three. The one I took earlier, this one, and it has another one right there.
Please give this video a thumbs up. In the meantime, thank you so much.
Our grain was spoiling. Well, right on time. Nice. So let's get the others over there. Guys, the mosquitoes don't want me to be great, you know. They don't want me to be great, man. Ugh, this grapevine, wrap up this. I think I'm going to need to do something more about this grapevine, you know. Because it's spreading like crazy. Ugh. So, I have a lot right here. A whole lot. Well, not a lot, but yeah. You can see where the ants started to damage the edge down here. So I'm going to cut them off. Feel like something I go on here, so yeah. So I'm going to cut them off. Not going to give anybody looking like that. They are small, but they are still good ears of corns. Upsie, upsie, upsie. I was saying that I was going to get everything from around here, but I see that some of the hairs are not fully dry, like this one. It's after I break it out I realize. So I'm not going to get every single one of them. I'm going to let them stay for a little bit more. Alright, I think yeah, I have about 3 or 4 more leaves. And it's got to this one. Good, good, good. Oopsie. No man, the ants them did a doctor that one here too. After this one, then I see another little one. You know this one could stay a little. Look at it. So those two I'm going to keep for myself. Drop them in something, my soup. Alright, so I'm getting most of these peppers right here. Sweet peppers or bell peppers. I have some more around the garden, so I'm just going to get those as well. So let us get these. These bell peppers are sweet peppers. They have been doing so well. Ooh, oh, this one stuck up inside here. Could hardly get it out. So cute, isn't it? Yeah. I'll leave the scissors in the other basket. Yeah. Oh, that one can stay. That one's still a little greenish. Wow, this is so cute. So cute. Uh-oh. How are you all doing today? Hope you are well and in the best of health. This is a generous amount of bell peppers. I'm just going to mix and match them. I have another little one inside here. Come here. And there are some more ants. Um, Oh, these are the ones right here. My God, I need to sort out this container. White flies. It's a little cayenne pepper. Balling out. Pick me, pick me. These are the yellow bell. So tiny. But I'm still grateful. The one's scratchy. Come up. That little one dry out. This one can stay little. But I saw another one. Oh, sit here. See it right here. Got a little scorch right here. Is which pepper this? Don't look like bell. It's bell. It is small. I've had the green one, old and raw. I've never had the purple one, old and raw. So I wanted to taste this one with you. So I may just use these two for seeds. So let me get the scissors. I want to see if it tastes the same like the green one when it is old. I'm gonna cut this off. I can't even bite it off. I literally can't. I literally can't. It's not, it's not coming off. Alright, so I'm just going to see if I can still leave it like this and let it stay for seeds. So let me get the other one. So I'm going to have to watch out for this little one right here. I'm going to take it off. I don't want to forget it. Oops. And it fell. How that? How it drop off, so? Might I didn't make it stay. Alright, so I got to it. Yay! Alright, so I'm getting these other okras that I have here. I think I said purple okra earlier, but it's really burgundy. Yeah, so I'm getting some more here and some green okras as well. How do you like to prepare your okra? How do you really have it? Comment below and tell me. I love my okra in my steamed fish or okra and saltfish or codfish like some people know it. So this basket is going on with a lot of things. Looks good, don't it? Alright, so I wasn't planning on getting any more corns, but then I glanced and I saw that these right here and staking them over. So I'm just going to get them out, and I completely forgot about this one that broke the other day. I'm going to see what is on there.
Alright, so let's see what's happening with these right here. The ants are a true nuisance, I'm telling you. Look what they did. But I'm just going to cut off the tops right there. Though these I'm definitely keeping for myself. Like, I don't want to give anybody anything that looks shabby. But it's not looking bad at all still. Alright, so let's look at the other one. I completely forgot that it broke down already, you know. I would look at it before, but I didn't remember. This one not coming off. Let me see. This is looking so bad. Look at it. Look what the ants did. This is no good. Let me see what's going on with this one. Well, few of the grains I have to take out, and I'm going to cut off the top nevertheless. But it's not looking bad. Can go in my soup. If you're liking the video so far, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much in advance. I am getting some callaloo right here.
Oh, just the knife just cut into it, so tender, even though it looks so thick. Yeah, so tender. So I am just getting the tops to give away, and then the bottoms I am going to get off camera. Then I'm going to take off the middle part um off camera. Maybe not today, tomorrow. I need some callaloo with fried dumpling here. But I'm going to get them off camera though. These are very soft, I can't tell you that much. It's getting from here. These are hard. The stems are hard. So what I usually do is take off the leaves and give them instead of the entire thing, because it is chewy if you have it like that. Alright, so I am just going to get some pak choi right here. For those of you who don't know, I usually just get the bottom leaves of my pak choys instead of getting the entire thing. When I do that, I leave the smaller leaves in the middle to continue to grow. It's a come again approach. I got this much from here. I saw two little cucumber right here. They weren't pollinated properly. Sometimes I'm doing like stew chicken. Like if I realize that the cucumber is getting ripe, like it has some yellow on here, I just cut them up and put them in the stew chicken and cook it down and have it. So I'm going to do that. What would you like from my basket? Comment below and tell me. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.